Tecno R Evolution is our top-line vacuum unit, and its features make it unique. The control board for maintenance management with display panel to keep the vacuum unit conditions under control. They have high efficiency motors with high power and low consumption. Unbeatable reliability is given thanks to their breaker valve and to the soft start device, which avoid the motor operating in critical conditions and facilitates airflow to the motor. Optional connection of the pipes from the left or from the right. Low maintenance filter made with polyester and aluminium fibre. Dust doesn't adhere to the filter but falls into the bucket. Service inlet on board that can be controlled by the on-off button on the front of the central unit. The Tecno R Evolution central units can be installed with two different options of filtration. With cyclonic filtration, all the dust that enters the unit is separated from the air and falls into the dustbin. With the bag filtration system, the dust remains inside the filtering bag. Tecno Revolution is available in 4 models with different motors according to your needs.